Hello and welcome, my name is Alicia and this is Project Vegan, so let's get baking. Today we're going to be decorating some of these lemon and raspberry muffins, cupcakes that I made earlier. The recipe will be linked in the information card in one of the top corners, and I'm going to be attempting Buttercream Daisies. This is my first ever time, but we're gonna see how it turns out. I'm not too sure how this is gonna work, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I'm gonna be attempting to use up some of my old buttercream from previous videos. I've got a light pink, a decent amount of white, and a darker pink. My plan is maybe to see if we can make this darker pink slightly orange, but I don't know how that's gonna turn out. So we're gonna try that first, but I'm not optimistic. And then, yeah, we're gonna attempt this Buttercream Daisy business. Who knows how I did it, but I created this really cool orange color and I'm quite happy about it. So for the orange, I'm gonna be using this very, very small tip, right? It's like got a tiny hole in the end and it's circular. And for the petals, I'm going to be attempting to use this. Now I did search it up on YouTube. I'm not going into this completely blind. However, I'm going into it pretty blind. I've never done this in my life, but I'm gonna do the petals first and then go with some little dots on top for the daisies. But I'm really hoping this works out because I think they're gonna be cute. I should have done like a lemon buttercream. That'd be really nice. It'd go good with the cupcakes, but yeah. Also my plan is to like maybe marble the white in with the pink, but I don't know how well that will work out. So anyway, let's get these petals underway, shall we? Also, I'm very cheap and do not have piping bags at the moment, or don't normally have piping bags anyway. So I'm using snap knot bags and piping tips, like so, because it's nice and easy. Also easy to clean up because I can just throw them away. Alrighty, my icing is in the baggie, locked and loaded, and I've got a cupcake. So, how they did it on YouTube is they started on the edge, did a line, and went in. Oh, this is a daisy apparently, by the way. That's what we're going for. We'll go that way around. How many petals does a daisy have? Probably should have Googled this. I've done too many petals. No! Oh, here comes the pink. Okay, it's kind of like a little spiral. I need to try and get them a little bit straighter. The first one was never going to be the best one. We do know that, right? Alright, let's mark the center. Right, there's a little dot there now. Now, I want to go. Then, edge. That's better. A little bit better. And it's starting to get the pink to come through now. But by the end I'm gonna have pink ones. Try again. The dots seem to help me a little bit, but I didn't help me very much. Okay. Straight and in. Yes. Next angle is there. Okay, still not great, but better. I'm happy. Oh my god. Let me know if you enjoy this kind of content or if you have any feedback for me to make my videos better in the future. I'm not going to say no to feedback. Getting better, but those two are really close together. Oops. Oh, it looks like a flower. Okay, maybe that works better for me then, because I can't get my spacing right otherwise. Hey, that's quite cute. That's not a daisy, but it's a cute flower. I'm killing this. I'm getting better. Uneven. Oops. One ugly little dog. I got one more cupcake left, and then it's time for the middles. Now I don't got a whole lot of orange, so I'm gonna have to be a bit more careful with this one. Eek. A little bit better. I should have started on the ugly ones. Fine. Should I do a different design? What is it?
That's why they said do it through your insurance.
Turns out I had more than enough icing. So it kind of cut off because my battery's running low, but I got my cupcake of death, which I've just lathered excess icing on. Right? Just a fun one. Then I've got these cute little flowers. It actually didn't turn out so bad. This one's a good one because I love how like the stripes are in the middle and it's really cute. And then that's the swirl middle I did. And this was the dot middle I did. This was one the lady used, except for her flowers looked a lot better than mine. But still, I tried, and they actually turned out somewhat okay. I'm just proud I gave it a go, you know? Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed making these. I really enjoy icing, actually, and this vegan buttercream turned out pretty good. I was just using the leftover stuff from my previous videos. If you want to check those out, I'll leave it up in the information card in the top corner up there. It is a cake decorating video. There are actually 2 cake decorating videos. Yeah, and if you want to check out the raspberry cupcake video, that will also be up there. They're the cupcakes I have iced. They taste delicious, by the way. Super light, fluffy, lemony on the inside. I really wish I'd done a lemon buttercream, but as I said, it's just using up leftover stuff. So, and I learned how to make a daisy, kind of. I need more practice, but pretty happy with how they turned out, to be honest. And yeah, I'll show you the inside of them. There's like raspberry filling in them. Too much buttercream for me, but tastes good.